What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is actually What's for Dinner Tonight by Dominic Fike. Go with the full album, can check the playlist. This was actually on request, and like I was actually about to do this before, but what the thing happened is I did the outro of another song from Dominic Fike's new album, which got me a bit confused, and then I just got a comment from someone, "You have not done it yet." I forgot, man, what the heck I did. So never mind, over here is the outro. Just got it down right now for you guys as I promised. I'll do it in time, though I'm actually a lot busy with Friday, a lot of music coming out. Never mind, let's start it. Straightly dive into the lesson. Link is provided down in the comment below for the actual guitar tutorial of the song. So it's just the outro of the song. So we start off playing 13th fret and 12th fret on the G and B string corresponding, and we do one downstroke, strumming only the B and G. And then we just add our ring finger on the 15th fret of the high E string, and we strum the G, B and the high E string. And then this two finger in that shape, we just bring it over here on the 16th fret of the high E string and 7th fret of that, what do you call that, B string. So we got, and we're just gonna move on to the C sharp minor chord, which is mute 4, 6, 6, 5, 4, and you're just gonna play that A string, B string and the high E string together. And after that we play 4th fret on the E string, 4th fret on the B and the G string, 4th fret on the E string, 4th fret on the B and the high E string. Then we add our middle finger on the 5th fret of the high E string. Then we again play 4th fret, 4th fret, 4th fret on the E, high E string and the B string. And then you play 4th fret, 4th fret just on that E and B string. So you got, and then we just gonna play 13th fret on the G string, and we just gonna slide down all the way back to this 19th fret over here. Very hard for someone who don't have a curved guitar. So you got, and then we play 14 frets on the B and the high E string and strum it together. So you got, and after that we're just gonna play this, which was the starting of this tab, which is again 13, 12 on the G and B. Then you add your ring on the 14th fret of the high E string, strum it, the same thing, and you play 17th and 16th fret, and then we play 9th fret on the G string twice, and 12th fret on the B string, 9th fret on the B string, and then we do a slight bend, which is like a quarter bend, not a half step, not a full step neither, but just do a quarter bend over here, but that's the big option. On the 12th fret of the G string, 11th fret of the G string, then you play 9th fret on the B string, and then we basically hold a shape over here, which is 11th fret on the D string, G strings, 9th fret, B string, 9th fret. This is actually a C sharp minor chord, which I played over here like this. You're just gonna play that G, B and the high E string twice. Then you add a pinky on the 12th fret of the high E string, B string, not high E string, B string. Play that once, and you play the 9th fret over here on the B string, as you can see in the tab, and then you just gonna strum the G sharp minor chord, and you go back. Yeah, and that's it for this lesson. Went a bit fast, I shouldn't be, but I have to cover a lot of song, man. And you can actually see the tab anywhere. And if you just have a single little bit doubt, just drop a comment down below. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.